Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. So we all look for products which are affordable, very easily available and work brilliantly. So today I have a list of 12 different products which are under rupees 300. Yes, you heard right. All the products which I am showing in this video are under rupees 300 and works amazing. You won't regret buying any of these. These are definitely very nice products. So if you're interested to know more, then continue watching. But before moving further on, please hit the subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, that means a lot to me. So now let's begin the video. My first recommendation has to be this Nivea Soft. And how much I love this product you must know because I've talked a lot about this in many of my videos. It comes for just rupees 185 and this is a 100 ml tub, and now you get many different variants of this. This is a 50 ml tub and you get this for just rupees 99. So you can choose this original one or any of the different variants which you want or which you like. These are very nice moisturizers, very soft and not at all oily or greasy, and everyone can use this. So this is my first recommendation. The second product in the list has to be these lip tints by Vaseline. These are such amazing products. They come for just rupees 249 and these are thick lip balms. Doesn't matter how much chapped or dry lips you have, they will cure everything. And during winters they work amazing. These are highly recommended products. Do try any of the variants. These are available in these 3 variants. You can try any one of your choice. It's a highly recommended product. The third product has to be this Lakme hand and nail creams. It is available in 4 different variants. You can get any of them and it comes for just rupees 249. They are also such amazing products. You will definitely love using this. It is not at all oily, not at all greasy, absorbs very nicely, very quickly and makes your hands very soft. I am currently in love with these hand creams. These are also highly recommended products. So if we have talked about hands, then we must talk about body also. So my fourth product has to be this Vaseline Cocoa Glow. This is the body moisturizer and it comes for just rupees 99. And this is a 100 ml tub. And you can get bigger bottles also. Around 400 ml also comes. So this works brilliantly during winters. This is the Cocoa Glow and has a beautiful fragrance of cocoa and it's thick and creamy. It works wonders. During summers you can go for the aloe vera variant, that green bottle. They both are amazing products. Must try. My next product is this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Face Cleanser. It's a face wash and it comes for just rupees 175. It's a 50 ml tube and you get a bigger size also. If you have dry skin, you will definitely love this. The next product in the list has to be this newly launched Lakme 95 Vitamin C Clay Mask. It comes for just rupees 299. It's a 50 ml tube and it comes in one size only, but during sale you get it for around rupees 250. So it's a very nice product. I am a dry skin person and it works wonders for me. I am currently loving this product. It's a very nice product and the size and the tube packaging, it helps you to carry this around while traveling. So you don't have to carry bigger bottles, bigger tubs while you travel around. You can just keep this any of your handbags and it won't take much space also. It's a very nice product. While we are talking about body, this is the Plum Body Loving Soap. Yes, this is a soap and I have used this. So I don't have the soap so I can show you, but it comes just for rupees 180 and it lasted me for around 45 days. Yes, it was such a nice experience using this soap that I highly recommend you all to try out this. I don't think it's available on the Plum website, but if you get this, do try out this. List is this Lakme Iconic Insta Cool Kajal. It has cucumber in it, so it gives a very nice cooling effect on your eyes. It's creamy and it has a very nice color, black color also. I will highly recommend this product because I just loved using this product throughout the year. I have so many kajals with me, but whenever I have to apply, I just pick this one. I so much loved using this product, and it comes for just rupees 225, and during sale you can pay even less for this. If you love applying makeup, then you need a good micellar water to take the makeup off. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micellar Water, and it comes for rupees 299 only, and it's a 95 ml tub, and during sale you pay even less for this. It's a very nice product. You will definitely love trying out this. The next product in the list are these Nykaa perfumes. These are the Moa by Nykaa, and these are the mini pocket perfumes, and they retail for rupees 249 each, and these works amazing. These are very easily available on Nykaa website, and I don't have that Epis variant. That's my favorite. I have used it completely. That's my favorite, and I highly recommend you to try out Epis if you love something spicy, something woody. It's very beautiful fragrance, but you have a very nice choices in this, so you can choose any variety of your choice. These are highly recommended perfumes. So we have completed 10 products, and my last two products, the 11th and the 12th product, are nail products. So if you love applying nail polishes, then I will highly recommend you to try out these Kay Beauty nail polishes. There are such amazing shades and formula. I love these nail polishes. They retail for rupees 225, but during sale you can pay even rupees 160 or 170 for these. So for the price what you pay, you get some amazing colors, shades, and the formula is amazing. So I will highly recommend you this. And to take off your chapped nail polishes, you have to use a nice nail polish remover. So this is the Color Bar one. This is the acetone free nail enamel, so your nails won't feel dry after you use this, and it retails for just rupees 145. So just for 145 you are getting such an amazing product. For the last 5 years I think I'm using only this one. It's such a beautiful product. I highly recommend you to try out this from Color Bar. It's a highly recommended product. So now we have come to the end of this video, and I showed you some amazing products which you will definitely love to try. So this was the video, guys. Hope you liked this video, and if this video was helpful to you, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.